students, before continuing today's concept, I just wanted to know whether all of you are completing your assignment. We have our WhatsApp group. Few students already they have sent the message. Slightly confused how to start with the assignment related to the topics which are allotted to them. So I hope others are also preparing their assignment. और आपको अगर कुछ डाउट्स है ओके तो क्लियर योर डाउट्स regarding your assignment as early as possible and wind up with your assignments. Okay. So now here the chapter aldehydes and ketones. Last time we have seen the two methods of preparation of aldehydes and ketones. Okay, let us continue. Three more methods today. As we have many methods of preparation of aldehydes and ketones in this chapter, so few more methods, important methods of preparation of aldehyde and ketones we have to cover in this lecture and the next lecture. Okay. So third method now from carboxylic acids. Now in the carboxylic acid also you know what is the functional group? COOH. So carboxylic acid they have the functional group COOH, and here we are using calcium salts of carboxylic acid. Calcium salts of carboxylic acid. Okay, that's why here you can see HCOOH was there in the beginning and acid was there, but the H is replaced by calcium. That's why the name of this compound is calcium formate. What is the name? Calcium formate. Now here we have this reaction given in the text in this form. HCO twice Ca heat. Okay, this molecule will decompose. Molecule break हो जाएगा and you will get HCHO. Okay, HCHO and CaCO3. Okay, so we get an aldehyde CHO group. But the same reaction we can write like this also to understand this elimination of calcium carbonate and formation of aldehyde properly. So this molecule you write like this HCOOCA. This was the first part of HCO. Two molecules are there. So second part you continue like this. Ca after that, then O again, C double bond to an H. Okay. So here, as you can see, reaction is same, but we have simplified here. So we get aldehyde HCHO, CaCO3, CaCO3 elimination. You can show like this. CaCO3. So what remains here? HCHO. See. So you get an aldehyde. Okay, understood? Elimination of CaCO3, formation of aldehyde. Now in this particular example, if in this place of H, if you take CH3, here also CH3, okay, so we'll get a ketone. Okay, so reaction remains same. Okay, these changes if you make, then you will get a ketone. Now next method is Rosenmund's reduction. So this chemist, he tried one method of preparation of aldehyde and ketone, and that we have to study now. So reduction already we know. Reduction is nothing but addition of hydrogen. And here in any name reaction which are already important for Indian syllabus, बहुत important है name reactions. Scientists के names रहते हैं और these reactions are very important. So catalyst also you should not miss in such type of reaction. Catalyst compulsorily you have to write the catalyst, otherwise you will lose marks. Now here we have acid chloride. Acid chloride we are using here, and the name of this acid chloride is acetyl chloride. Acetyl. Okay. Name of this acid chloride is acetyl chloride. So bond breaks here. One H gets added to this group, and you will get CH3CHO, and one H which is remaining here will form HCl. So you get an aldehyde and HCl as a byproduct. So if you take two molecules of same acid chloride, okay, and dimethyl cadmium, okay, two molecules of acetyl chloride and dimethyl cadmium, you will get a ketone in this method. Now we have the third method. यहाँ पे हम लोग को aldehydes and ketones prepare करने हैं using an alkene, a very important class of reaction these ones, because these reaction of alkenes, they are given under the heading ozonolysis. Ozonolysis means addition of ozone, O3. So in the first step we have a alkene here, ethene. O3 gets added here across the double bond, and we get this very unstable intermediate. This is the intermediate which is very unstable. Any unstable intermediate, okay, immediately can undergo hydrolysis, and here hydrolysis is carried out in presence of zinc. Zinc के presence में hydrolysis carry out किया जाता है, okay, and the main role here in the last step is of zinc. The molecule breaks here, okay, molecule breaks here, and the decomposition of the intermediate you can show like this. Can you see these dotted lines? Okay, this dotted line is first one, HCHO. Okay, HCHO, and this bond breaks here, so you get another molecule of HCHO. So we get two molecules of HCHO. So what is remaining here? Oxygen. This oxygen and Zn will form zinc oxide. So here also, as you can see, that we have got an aldehyde. In the same class of reaction, that is ozonolysis, if you take higher number of alkenes, containing more than 3 carbon atoms, okay, so you can prepare ketone. Okay, so these are the 3 methods of reaction we have studied today. And as I have already told that reactions you have to write and practice. aldehydes and ketones, and also the next chapter. Okay, there are many more reactions are there. So write and practice. Okay, and when we refer our campus care app, okay, so for chemistry subject and other subject also we have discussed with other subject teachers that all the students are not able to view, okay, see our video link. There are some problems, especially your net or the net problem. So whenever you have time, okay, just open the video link in our campus care and understand the explanation properly, because if you keep the video links pending which you have not seen, okay, so it becomes difficult afterwards to understand the concept. So let us continue with the next part of the chapter. Okay, few more methods of preparation of aldehydes and ketones in our next lecture. So complete your assignment, maintain your notes properly, and any doubts in today's part also, immediately we have our WhatsApp group, so clear your doubts. Okay, if you have doubts in today's lesson. Okay, so we'll continue next time. You take care, okay, and have a good day. Okay.